Hey, welcome back and thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you how to create and install a Facebook pixel on your WordPress site. So go ahead and go to business.facebook.com. Make sure you're logged in. We're at the home page. We're going to click on Business Settings. Then we can scroll down to Data Sources. Click on Pixels. So you can see that I've created a few, and I'm even going to create this one again just to show you how to add it. So click on Add. You get the cool little pixel symbol. You can enter your website if you'd like. This one's going for clicktrackmarketing.com. So the reason why you want to install a Facebook pixel is so you can retarget and show ads to people that have visited your website. So I'm going to go ahead and set up the pixel now, because what better time than now. I'm going to manually install it. This is going to be on a WordPress site. Now if I had Shopify and I was selling products, I would just use the top one, and it's really easy to install. So this shows you where you want the code. It's going to be in that section of the head section, so it's called the header, and it's going to be in between the two sections that are called head, but you're going to go towards the bottom one before that. So if you go to your WordPress site, go to Appearance, Theme Editor, then on the right you're going to want to be at header.php. We're going to scroll down to the last head, install it right before it, click Update File. You can see that it's updated successfully. These are for the event, so we can do that later. You can come back to that. I'm just going to end up closing out here, but we can track different events like searches and add to carts, which also will come in very handy. So you can see the pixel, it's still red, so we're just going to go ahead and go to the website, and I can show you that there's no pixel installed for now, but we're going to refresh. And what I do is I use the Chrome extension. It's the Facebook Pixel Helper. So it'll show you right there that we did install successfully. It's now tracking. So if you were to come visit my website, I could potentially show you an ad on Facebook because you're a website visitor. So go back to the pixel. It's green. It says active. Last refresh in the last minute. If you thought this video was useful, please share, like, and subscribe.